Helo, siwmai a chroeso. Connie off ydw i. My name is Connie off. A dwi yma yn Amgueddfa genedlaethol y glannau yn Abertawe i rannu cwbl o straeon gyda chi i ddathlu Pride Abertawe. I'm here in the National Waterfront Museum in Swansea to tell you a few stories for Swansea Pride. Hi. Hi. Well, I think I'm sitting in the perfect place to tell you a story called The Pirate Mums by Jodie Lancet Grant. I can't wait. Billy's family was not what you'd call ordinary. There they are. They look ordinary to me. When his friends came round for playdates, Billy's two mums, loved to dance jigs and sing sea shanties. Other families had cats or dogs, nice, normal pets. But Billy's mums had bird brain. Squawk! They insisted on using smelly old maps to find their way on long car journeys. And their taste in house design was, well, fishy. Billy just wished his family was a little more like everyone else's. Which is why, when Mr. Smart asked for a parent and parent volunteers to accompany his class on a trip to the seaside, Billy was horrified. Yo-ho-ho, I hear there's a boat ride too, said Mummy. Billy's mums loved boats. Sounds like a right laugh, said Mama. Count us in. Billy tried to make them change their minds. He pretended to have scurvy. He hid his mummy's favourite sailing hat. He fibbed that the boat had sprung a leak, but Mama said she'd know just how to fix it. Nothing worked. Billy's mums just couldn't wait for the family to sail the high seas together. Perhaps it won't be so bad, Billy thought. Maybe no one will even notice how strange we are. Well, no, you're not coming dressed like that, said Billy on the morning of the trip. Well, there they are. But we look right, Bonnie, protested Mummy. We'll be shipshape in this, added Mama. Well, they look all right to me. Oh, please, Billy exploded. Can't you be normal just for today? Sure, said Mama. Aye, said Mummy. That'd be no bother, my little buccaneer. No bother at all. At the seaside, when it was time to board the boat, Billy took the first chance he had to dash off and join his friends. Anchors away, Mama hollered as Captain Fishface set sail. Shh, said Billy. The shore quickly faded into the distance. Ooh, said the children, watching the seabirds swoop and soar above them. Wow, they exclaimed, pointing at the quicksilver fish shimmering beneath the water. It was Mama who noticed the sky change first. Shiver me timbers, Billy heard her mutter. Mr. Smart, he called, pointing at the black clouds building on the horizon. But Mr. Smart couldn't quite find his sea legs, and he was being seasick over the side of the boat. All at once, the wind picked up speed. The waves grew into giants, thunder rumbled. Bang! A lightning bolt hit the boat, and a mast came crashing down, ripping through every single sail. Oh, no! Ah! The children ran, panicked, up and down the deck. Bottoms and bother, bottoms and bother. That's the parrot there, by the way, yeah. Where's the captain when we need him? Moaned Mr. Smart. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the toilet, hollered Captain Fishface. Help! Get me out! Uh-oh. If only there was somebody else on board who knew about boats. Mummy, Mama, Billy whispered, I think we need your help. Billy's mums didn't need asking twice. Mama fished a flare from her handbag and set it off to grab everyone's attention. Boom! All right, me hearties. First off, we need your coats. Ooh. In a flash, the pirate mums expertly knotted the coats together, then tossed a corner to Birdbrain, who flew to the top of the one remaining mast and hooked on the makeshift sail. Wow! The coats rippled in the breeze, but the boat stayed put. Never fear, mateys, said Mummy. She just needs a little push-off. A cannon aimed right at the waterline should see to that. Which of you scallywags will help us pack it with flares? Oh, my word. Ready, aim, fire! Boom! Land ahoy! Billy shouted, land ahoy! Wow! By the time Billy's mums had used Mama's cutlass to free Captain Fishface from his pongy prison, the boat was sliding into harbour. Bless Blackbeard's boots for your mums, he said to Billy. They saved the day, added Mr. Smart. War! They did that, added Billy. Who cares about ordinary, thought Billy. It's a pirate's life for me. Ha ha!